How to make the Aberration Distort effect. Today's video is sponsored by a widely known fanboy of the channel, Quentin Tarantino.
It's a fantasy. It's a fantasy. It's not real life.
He also begged me to improve his lame movie, so I will use it as an example. Right-click in your clip, make it a new Fusion clip and open the Fusion page. Add a merge node. Bring a Displace node in empty space, connect your media node to the Displace node and then connect the Displace to the merge node as a foreground. Add a fast noise and connect it to the Displace. Select the Displace node and increase the refraction strength. Go back to the fast noise and increase the contrast and the seethe rate. Play around with the noise sliders until you get a displacement that you like. Select the merge node and bring down the blend value to 0.5. Add a Prism Blur after the Displace node. Increase the aberration distance, bring down the blur if you like, and increase the aberration strength also. Again, tweak around the settings until you get something that you like. Add a flicker addition node, bring down the flicker gamma range, change the flicker type to gain, and adjust the range, speed and smoothness to your liking. And now about you, Quentin. This is the last time I'm helping you with your mediocre movies.
And I'm shutting you down.
If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't,